Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So before we get started, I do have on 2 coats of my Hollow Taco Pili base on top of my builder gel overlay, and I will be using OG dip powder dip liquids, which is a shop on Etsy, and 2 dip powders from CNDesigner Dips, Blitzed, and No Sleep Till Bourbon. Both shops can be found on Etsy. I will be using SNS Natural Set Sheer, which is clear, to encapsulate those 2 colors. And I will be applying that using a pipette. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So guys, with this color, I think this set was meant to be for Mardi Gras. I'm late to the party. Anyway, so I wanted to still use them, but I did not specifically like this color on my nails against my skin tone. Love it on the swatch stick, love it in the jar, love it in the cupcake holder, but I did not love it on my nails. I loved all of the different colors of glitter in there, but I just personally didn't think it looked good against my skin tone, and that's okay because y'all know I go with it anyway. So I didn't apply, and look at all that glitter. Look at all that glitter on the mat. It's very glittery, glitter everywhere. Like I said, glitter can be very disrespectful. It's pretty and pretty disrespectful at the same time. So I did not apply 2 coats on all of my nails. I went ahead and applied a second coat on my index finger because the first coat I poured over in my I didn't pick up a lot of it on my on the nail, so I went in, I decided to go in with the second coat, and then it filled in everything. Really pretty glitter though. Also with the next color, No Sleep Till Bourbon, I did not, as you can see, I put Blitzed on all of my nails because with No Sleep Till Bourbon being a very chunky glitter, I didn't want to put 2 layers of that on my nail because you end up with glitter covering other glitters, and sometimes it can look a little bit wonky. Plus, you know, sometimes I just don't like dealing with chunky glitters. They're pretty, but you have to know, I think it's just the art to it. that sometimes I get right and sometimes I don't. So I'm applying No Sleep Till Bourbon to my middle finger, and I'm going to lay my finger flat in the cupcake liner into the dip powder. So I don't pick up glitter on all of the middle nails, so I will then go in and individually place those glitter pieces on my nail. So guys, after I press them flat and, you know, move them away to from the free edge of my nail, y'all, I caught myself doing a glitter ombre using a brush, eyeshadow brush. No, not for me. It was just, I think it's a learning curve. You really have to know what you're doing. And this was my first time doing this, using an eyeshadow brush, and no. So I know this set was meant for Mardi Gras, but when I finished, y'all, what I saw and what my eyes saw and what my brain processed was Pirate's Treasure. That's what I got from this mini. I felt like it was in a I was in some type of hidden room or on a pirate ship, and you get all those gold in what you see on TV. That's what my eyes saw and what my brain processed when I finished this set of nails. So as you can see with this ombre, y'all, I didn't know what I was doing. All the glitter pieces stuck inside the doggone eyeshadow brush. So I decided just to go in and individually place. This was not my favorite but set that I did, but you know, y'all know I'll stick to it whether it's ugly or it looks good or not. But this again was not my favorite, and I did that kind of ombre. I tried to do the ombre on my ring finger and my index finger, and then I'll go in and individually place glitter pieces as well. And let me just add, no disrespect to CNDesigner Dips, because I love her dips. She has some gorgeous dips. It's just that I did not like so much of that blitzed on my nails. I just didn't like it against my skin tone. Very pretty color. And then No Sleep to Bourbon. Y'all gonna see that again. That probably would pair well with the teal. It has so many colors in there. It has teal, magenta, purple, blue. It's a really pretty chunky glitter. I just didn't like the way that this particular set came out, so I wanted to clarify that. I encapsulated my nails in SNS Natural Set Sheer off camera, and I'm going in with my soft bristle. Usually I would use a medium bristle, but for whatever reason that day I went in with my soft bristle toothbrush and removed any excess clear dip powder that was not soaked up by the base. And now I'm going in with OG dip powder activator to activate my nails in preparation. It will harden the dip powder, and in preparation for filing and buffing, which I completed off camera. After my filing and buffing, I'm going in with OG Dip Powder Activator and Top Coat, because I will be using that. And I did mess up with their particular system. You don't have to wipe off the excess activator that did not dry on the nail, and it's okay. My nail still dried down without any issues, but with their particular liquids, you don't have to wipe off the excess activator. I just wanted to clarify that. So I'm going in, and then I have 2 rhinestones that I'm going to apply to my pinky and my thumb. They really didn't go with the set. The lights that my nail lights that I use, they played tricks on me, and I didn't see it till I got a natural sunlight, and I was like, oh, these really don't go with this. But the nails popped off in I think about 2 days. This set popped off 2 days later. No, this one actually popped off the next day. I'm looking at the set that I have on my nails now. I did these a few days ago and it's still on there, which I'm shocked. But anyway, so I'm going in with my top coat, and I'm using my precision tool that I have from Paramount Dips. It has a cuticle cleanup tool on one end and a wax tip on the other end to pick up rhinestones or loose glitters to apply to your nails. And then guys, after that dried down, I will go in and apply my favorite cuticle oil. So guys, here's the finished look. You'll have to let me know what you think. And again, you want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. Y'all ain't gonna never get rid of this eucalyptus. This is the same cuticle stick that I've been using for a while now. So, but guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of any new uploads. I normally upload on Sundays. Sometimes I'll get an extra video in and upload that on Thursday evening. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. It is free. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.